Greetings to everyone. Hope you're all safe, healthy, and happy. Thank you for attending on time on this evening. Before we start, as always, let's start it in a powerful way with our invocation. Vivekta, please go ahead.
Thank you, Akka. Powerful we are, compassionate we are, genius we are, adventurous we are, disruptive we are, distinctive we are, beautiful we are, revolutionaries we are, empathetic we are, courageous we are, grateful we are, attentive we are, learners we are, incitement we are, rebellious we are, heartful we are, inspiring we are, leaders we are, champions we are, yes, powerful we are. By Nivedita, Apurva, Deepthi, and Vivekta. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivekta. So, this evening we have our top speaker as Chandan Mansani today. Welcome, Chandan. Thank you for taking that initiative to tell us about your experience in finding the ways of passive income. How are you, Chandan?
Fine. Everything is fine.
Thank you. How do you want to start? Do you want to present it?
Yeah.
Yes, please go ahead.
So before going to our presentation, first of all, thank you, Akka. Thank you so much. And let me consider saying thanks to Shravan sir, who supported me and encouraged me, and also all the Money Club team members, Vinyanna, Lidija Akka, Soumya Akka, Mahek Akka, Karun, Tarun, and Ganesh. Karun, Brahma, and Ganesh. Thank you for their encouragement, who have make it happen for me. So I will start my presentation for today's topic.
So before he starts, let me tell something about Chandan. Like it was a nice start, like we started Money Club long days back, and many ups and downs came to maintain that team properly. But when Chandan took over it, and it was a great start, all the work was progressing, and his way of leadership, like his way of taking initiatives in that team really brought it a long way. And yes, this topic he has chosen to write about it when we all have decided to write a book. So in that he has chosen this topic, and he has learned many things in that. So he wants to share all those things for us. Thank you, Chandan.
Thank you so much, Akka. So today's my topic is ways to earn passively. So, okay. Before going to the topic, let me say regarding money. Money is I think you all are familiar with money in daily to day life. You are very, very familiar with it, and it is a commodity, a basic commodity to live. To have a comfortable life, you need to earn you need to earn more and more, right? Okay, you all know regarding that. So my topic is regarding ways to earn passively. So let me go with that. You'll be getting some. I'll be saying some methods how to earn passively. So before I say the methods, let me introduce what, why, and where we come across the word passive income. So what is passive income actually? Passive income, there are hundreds of definitions. There are a lot of hundreds not. There are a lot of definitions for passive income. But one of the basic dictionary definition is to earn income without no effort, or else we can say now passive income is an income which is earned with no effort or little effort. And it can also say and some silly definitions are earning money while sleeping. This is also some silly, else you can consider. Generally what is passive income is you might be doing some amount of work at the beginning, and you will be getting the money that you put effort on the work will be, so after some X point of time, and that X point of time you need not to make about the work, just you will be getting income. For example, if you take an example of YouTube, you will be doing videos at now, but after a long time, after 2 years or something extra, after a long time, what happens is then you will be getting money. So at this point of your time, you need not to work, but money is coming to your pocket. This is what passive income. The you will be getting to know more about passive income. What is it actually through my next speaking to my next talk. So why we need to consider to make passive income? We need to consider why you need to make passive income. Why it is also an important reasons. For my there are some reasons to have a secondary income. So for example, if someone has some financial goals, he is not able to reach his goal by simply by what he is earning daily. So he can have a secondary source of income by with passively. And it is also like an insurance. Insurance is nothing but for example, at any point of time, what happens, your job resigns, something happens, you get out of your job, or business losses, what happens, then passive income is for you like an insurance. Means you will be getting money. There is another source, right? So you need not to worry about that. Next, no tension. Means you are doing work, you need not to be worried, because you are already getting some x amount of amount passively. Why you again bother about and doing job? You can do it freely without any tension. And last thing is skill is very most important point regarding passive income to make it, because it might help. You might be fail some x time, but you will be learning skill. You'll be learning skill. This is very much important. This makes you more confidence to in any other field of to get income. So my skill is also to gain skills. We need to make passive income. Next, so we generally come across the word passive income. Where do we come across the word passive income? Actually, when we get into the BTech or any engineering course, we just listen the word passive income. Until that, we are very not aware of that word passive income. And what happens is it becomes a buzzword for entire life. And many people only look at that to make income. So there are some cases where you find the word passive income is when you start reading the articles on financial independence. They refer that passive source of incomes will make your financial goals success. Then you will be financial independence. They definitely recommend passive source of ways. Then you will be seeing social media. In social media, it may be Facebook or Instagram. Many people are posting something like you can earn money. You can earn money passively. You can touch in that. You can have a glimpse. You'll be really aware of that, right? And next thing, in network marketing. In this network marketing, I really don't know whether it is a passive income or not, but these network marketing people, when they organize meetings, they usually organize meetings for their what they say is network marketing is a passive income. So they only you are also if you are attended, you also getting, you will be also listening that passive income in this. Then they also says that it is a passive income, you will be an overnight billionaire too. So basically we can divide income in two ways. One is active income, one is passive income. So what is active income and what is passive income? So according to, we are very familiar with active income, right? Active income is nothing but we do regular work, or some, what happens, we do regular work. The income that is we earn through salaries or doing business, some other work, the regular work, we do regular work. Then the income earned by is called active income. Passive income is nothing but, I already said about passive income, but let me say the income which is earned with or without with little effort or no effort is called passive income. How can you be financial independence using passive income? So let me say something about financial independence. Financial independence is nothing but having enough income to pay his life expenses throughout life without doing any job. So he is having enough income to pay his life expenses without doing any job. Is called financial independence. So passive income help him to be financial independence. For example, a person have X amount of monthly expenses. If he is earning the X amount of monthly expenses through passive income, through rentals or something extra job, some extra job passively, then he will be considered automatically as financial independence. That's it, right? I hope you consider. And many people consider to be financially independent as a passive income as their cup of coffee. So now you all listen regarding the introduction regarding passive income. Now I'll be getting into the methods that you make. How can you make passive income? So YouTube. I selected this as the first one, and you all know that YouTube is the greatest platform that everyone is very familiar, and YouTube always introduces the most talented person into the world, and and it is also when you all familiar, because whatever the doubt you have, you just go into YouTube and search for that, and you'll be getting a video explanation, and you are very familiar. So we can consider this is a very important platform. So now comes the point is, how can you make money through YouTube? How can you make money? So how can you make money passively through YouTube? So what is the criteria is, you will be uploading videos from for this. I already said, for example, you have uploaded videos now. Then what happens is, after if the content is very good, after some X years of time, people are really watching your videos, then you will be getting money passively. Then you will be getting money passively. So how can you start making money through YouTube means, okay, first of all, you need to create a channel and then uploading your videos according to your topic. For example, it may be education, or it may be social media, or anything regarding technicals, or anything. According to your, based upon interest, you need to upload in YouTube. First of all, you need to create YouTube channel, and the next criteria is to earn money is, you need to have at least minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watching in just 1 year. In 12 months of plan, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watching. Then and then only YouTube accepts you as a YouTube partner program. Then YouTube gives you, then YouTube accepts you as its partner program. Then what you need to do is, you need to sign up for Google AdSense. Then then you need to sign up for Google AdSense, and actually you will be getting income only through Google AdSense when you sign up for that. What happens is, you really don't know aware of you are not, based upon the views, based upon the comments, based upon the likes, based on the subscribers, you don't get at least single rupee. You only get money only through the ads. Means if the people who are watching your videos, then there will be some ads there will be some ads, right? So when based upon the ads, so if there are how many views are there for this ad, based upon that, YouTube will be providing money to the client, sorry, the person who uploaded the video. Next thing is, you need not to consider you can consider YouTube not only for making money, you can consider YouTube for developing your skills. So yeah, what happens is, the number of skills you develop means, you will be very confident, you will be having a good communication skills, you will be developing your presentation skills, and there will be number of skills will be unknowingly. You can also I can also say an example that if a 3-minute video, it takes for you 1 week at the beginning, but what happens if you start making YouTube videos, it may take only after some period of time, it only take 15 minutes to complete the 3-minute video. So one of the greatest advantage in being YouTube is, if your content, what you are saying is really helpful, really adding value to others, what happens is, then people definitely will contact you, definitely comment you, definitely make a relationship with you. In this way, your network is going to be built. And you should the thing is, you need to consider starting make YouTube videos. Thank you. Sorry, I said a lot more about YouTube, but I will not saying the next up on topics. So now the word blogging, and you are all familiar. You all the knows regarding blogging, and we also started our blog corner in our website. All our research students. So I think you all are familiar how we can make money with blogging, and you know what. Most of the people in across the world start blogging because it is a very low investment process. Need not take any much money to start it. And to say more about it, you need to consider uh, interesting topic that makes you excitement every day to write upon the blogs and then post in it. Or else you can also write the stories regarding the beautiful places which you have visited. You can have a sceneries, and you will be describing out on your own way and posting a blog. And regarding income, it is same way that same has YouTube. Here also you need to apply for Google AdSense, then only you will be getting income. More or less, it is very adaptable to everyone. Everyone have a chance who have PC or just a mobile. They can start earning money through blogging. If your blogs created more number of traffic, then people also interested, they put their blogs in your hosting access, then traffic will be increases according to that for your blogs. And skills also improving, the expressing skills. That's it regarding blogging. So you can consider making money through ebook also. Why can't you consider that? You are in 2021, right? There is no matter, you can just write a book. You can, because what happens is you just write a book. You always I'll be thinking writing a book is a really hard thing, but it doesn't, because just write a book according to your experiences that you have in your life. Everyone has their beautiful experience. You can just make up on a book on that too. And regarding mistakes or grammarly spelling, it will be looking upon. There is many apps like Google Documents or any Grammarly, and it will correct you what are the mistakes you have done. Next thing, you really people are want the new versions of the books. They really don't like the books that are very old. So you can, so there is lot of what is that? Okay, no problem. And regarding ebook, there is need not to print anything like that. You just no printing is required, and you can save a lot of money through it. It's a very good advantage. And also when it comes to earning part, you might be writing a book at this point of time, and the book will be sold for many number of copies. So as the copies will be sold, you will be getting money. That's it. And there are very good platform to sell your book online. Yes. Now it's time to say about audiobook. You all be thinking, I don't want regarding audiobook. Okay, no problem. I bought your interesting interesting stuff to know what how can you make money through audiobooks. So here what happens is, there are thousands of books are publishing every day, but only fewer hits, right? So what now publisher needs is, he want more number of audience to make more money. So what happens is, the publisher goes to some platforms like ACX, the best platform. There are very number of so what this platform do is, ACX, it collects the book from the publisher, and what this and many people in ACX, the people who want to make audiobook, they'll be if publisher is giving a book to ACX, then ACX will be giving this same book to turn it into a audio voice. Then many number of people will try for the same single book. Many people will be giving audio voice for that book. So what ACX do is, the book is given all the samples that it collects from the people, and it gives to the publisher. And here publisher, what he does is he will be selecting the good one and he will be giving to ACX again. And what this ACX does is it will be keeping in some famous online audibles, Amazon Audible. So whenever the customer listens to the audiobook, the percentage of share that whatever the percentage of share is there for a who made the, so it will be going to the person who made the audiobook. Yes, making a website also you can earn money. Only it is a very simple, not a simple process, but you need to consider. Okay, it is a very long time process, or also it takes time to earn money. But once you are clicked for the netizens, then thousands of dollars will be getting added to your account. What happens is, yeah, okay, let me say how. First of all, you need to create a website, right? So you can create a website by using HTML or else WordPress, or else you can also contact our Ankari Dhanush, who will be helping to build a website for you. And the only thing is regarding website is you should be selecting a topic which you are very passionate about, which you are very knowledgeable on that topic. So the next thing is you need to start writing a web pages on that. For example, you taking a cooking. So cooking, there are number of recipes. You start making web pages on that. So if the content is very good, then what happens is people really the good number of traffic is produced to watch your website. So in this way, this is what happens. And regarding earning part, here also same thing happens. You need to apply for a Google AdSense, or else you can promote your products in your website. In this way you will be getting money. The more number of ads you will be unlikely watching in websites, right? Those are all to get money for the who build that website. Okay, now the question is, how can you make money through affiliate marketing? The interesting thing is, affiliate marketing is the most trending platform now to make best passive incomes. So what we need to do here is we need to promote products. So there are very big MNCs, or else you can consider Amazon. So what we need to do is you need to sign up in Amazon affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing services. Then they'll be providing links for the products. You need to take that links and promote in social media, or else anything, or else to your friends or anything. When the customer buy the products using your link, then you will be getting money based on that. You will be getting money based on you'll be getting based upon that. Means there is a percentage of share for you if customers buy product through your link, and this is how it runs. And you need not to compromise regarding not to feel shy regarding making money through affiliate marketing, because you need to make money. That's it. You should not going to compromise. And it is we all can do affiliate marketing, because we all have good expressing skills. We can express everything regarding the product and make that and when it comes to products, the products are not daily based communities. They are moreover Ayurvedic products are nothing but some electronic devices. You need to refer to the customers. In this way you will be getting money. Okay. Yes, planting trees also you will be getting money. You will be hearing from the right on the childhood. Somehow you will be hearing double chetla kasaya. Yes, yeah, you will be getting how we can make money by planting trees. Yes, I searched in websites regarding how can we make money through planting trees. Then there are millions of people who make millions of monies just by planting trees. It is more or less than an average software engineer earns. And okay, You might be thinking, in this hard COVID situation also, you are saying that countries very lack of oxygen cylinders. You are saying very foolishly. I don't really agree with you. But for that only I mentioned the plan. I mentioned plant 3, cut 1. Okay, and there are two-way advantages regarding planting trees. So you will be getting money, and also you will be taking a part in reducing pollution. Like for example, global warming. It is a biggest challenge which you all know in front of the world, right? You will be taking part in that. So consider planting trees not only for the sake of money, for sake of being a part in reducing global warming for the world. Just is you need to plant trees. After as they has grown, you can cut them, and you can make money. You need not to do all the work. You can make by someone. Okay. Next thing is, okay, so in your mind there are hundreds of ideas, hundreds of thoughts. Every moment, every day you'll be going on, but you will be not executing or not expressing them into the media or into the world, right? So here you can take the advantage of making short films. You can express so that your mind gets the whatever the burden that you have in your mind, that get relieved. So you can place another thought, a very good thought, and also you can make money throughout of it. And regarding once you start doing short films, the only thing is people always want you to make you demoralize regarding uh, uh, what you do, but never give up. The only thing is you need to put your thoughts into the world. That should be the main intention. And regarding earning, you can post the whatever you have done. You can post in some OTT platforms, Hotstar, anything, or else YouTube, or else you can refer to your friends based upon your content, based upon your skills. Many people liking that short films, and you will be getting more worry, not for at the beginning, but once uh, once you have pro in making short films. Okay, and regarding that, you will be learning not only one skill. You will be learning hundreds of skills that required to make a short film. So learning is important. You start it is so be excited to learn many things. Start for short films also the best platform to earn money. I hope if I start saying all the things, you might be continuously, it might be burden to you. So let me stop for 1 or 2 minutes and discuss any, if you want to have any queries, anything regarding passive income, let us discuss.
That's a wonderful way of start, and thank you for asking us this great debate.
Thank you.
Hey Chandan, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Yes. Yes, okay.
Suppose, if we do not get 1,000 subscribers in a year, what happens? Don't we get money, or will our channel be discarded? Is there something like that? I do not know.
Yeah. Yes, I too listen regarding that, but I don't have much clarity regarding Akka. Sorry for that. I think you need to wait for another year. Just yesterday I listened. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem, Chandan. Just I have a question. Let us search together.
Sure. I definitely will.
Chandan, don't be tense. You're going awesome. We were very into your topic. Don't be tense. Be cool and continue. We are very happy to listen to you.
Thank you, Akka. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you for your smile.
Okay, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
First of all, Chandan, that was really, really good talk. I was, the way you did the research, the way you explained, you basically went on to, you explained passive income very well. And you spoke about only passive income for all of you, because there are real estate is also a passive income. But for that, you have to invest lakhs and crores of rupees into that. But these are all the passive income sources where you don't have to invest any money and you make money. So very well said. The one thing I want all of you to consider, yes, passive income is important. Yes, you should have a way to create passive income, and you can do by all the methods that Chandan has suggested. And then also you can do it through financial management, real estate, gold, and there are a couple of ways. Okay, and there are a couple more other ways too. So, and you should consider doing it in all of them. First of all, you should not put your money into one area. You should divide your money into 10 or 15 areas. So this way, if you lose money in one area, you still have, or lose money in two areas, you still have money in some other area. So this way you are not scared of, what is going to happen in the stock market. So don't put all your money in the stock market, so you don't have to worry about that. Then the next thing, so the other thing which I want you to do is always learn. Because if you lose your cool, all your money goes away. It doesn't take long for the money to go away. So, and even in the passive income streams, you will have problems. That's life. You might be thinking, oh, I created this YouTube video, my subscribers are there, everything. And suddenly all subscribers will be gone. You did some stupid thing and everyone will say, they will judge you, they'll put all kinds of nonsensical things on you and they'll leave. And now you have no money again. And your confidence will also be shot. Oh my God, today there were so many people thinking I was great, now no one is thinking I'm great. So your greatness should always come through you. I am who I am. I don't need someone else to tell me that I'm great. And usually if you have 2 or 3 good friends, that's good enough. So keep on learning. Keep your mind very sharp. Keep on learning. And passive income will help you. But if you just have passive income and you have your mind is weak, then passive income will not help you. It will not make you happy. It will just going to only say, I have money, and it's only going to create another problem for you. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Let me start.
Thank you, sir. Yes. Go ahead, Chandan.
Sure. First of all, high heel savings accounts, right? It is a very, very traditional way of making money. You all consider this making money. Unknowingly or knowingly, you did it also. When it comes to it, when you put your money into the bank, it will be more secure for you. No reasons that no one will take that, and very no risk, and returns very less returns. Okay, very less returns. And how you get money means you will be, whatever the money you have saved, you will be putting into your account, right? So what happens after some X time, what happens, the interest will be added. So this is what your passive income. And let me explain about what is the difference between if you put money in FDs or RDs. Between fixed deposit and recurring deposit. A fixed deposit is the account that at the beginning only you will be putting all your money into it. And regarding RDs, RD account is nothing but monthly you will be putting money. Means whatever the money that you have in savings account, it will be directly debited and it will be credited into RD account in monthly. So this is a basic difference. More or less both have same considered amount of interest, and very less if you, it has no risk, and income also you'll be getting very less. Okay, now let me say about limited partnership in business. This is the one which I like and which I consider everyone to make it happen. This is also way that we can make more money, and the only thing is you need to get a good partner or a good one in the society, because there are many people in the society who don't have money to invest, or who don't have proper guidance or support to put a business, but they are very interested. The only thing is that we need to give support to them by giving an upfront investment or something like that. In this way, based upon the profit that he gains in a business, both the people will be sharing some commission regarding, for example, some commission based. Some percentage of share will be sharing between both of them agreement. That's it. Regarding limited partnership in business.
Chandan?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain this a little more again? I heard it, but I think I missed it. So can you say it? Can you explain again?
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me say, this is what which I really like and which I always consider to make a passive income in this way. What the thing is, many people outside the world are not have upfront investment, or they are lacking with the investment, or some problems, some support. They are unable to put business. So what can we do is, we need to support these kind of people, or we need to encourage them. We need to give support. We need to give investment for them. Okay. So what happens is, based upon the earnings or the profit that comes from the business, both of the people can share each other. Both of the people can share the profit. In this way, you can earn a lot of money.
Yeah, that is a really good idea. And in fact, many friends of mine are willing to invest in all of you.
Yes.
So yeah, that's a very good idea.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes, you can also make money out of just by using professional photos. What the thing you need to do is go in YouTube, search how can you make professional photos. Then next thing is, whenever you in front of you, if there is a beautiful scenery, please capture it and edit it and put in and keep with you. You can sell these photos to some in your online website, or else you can just give it to some brokers who will be selling in online. I think there is nothing more scope regarding it. You just try it. You might be this is also one way of income. So network marketing is nothing but a business model. It is also a type of business model where company head, he will be having all the products with him. What he does is, he'll be not going to any retailers and anything. He just refer the person. He consider, for example, here is a man. What he do is, he gives his products to both of them. So this guy will give the products to this. So what happens is, whatever this guy here, he give products to him, right? So he can directly sell to the people, or else what can he do is, he can also for example, if a person really like the products, he can make another one people who is very interested to sell those products too. So what happens for these guys is, he'll be getting money by selling the products, some percentage of profit. Also he'll be getting money if these all people also will sell their products, he'll be also getting some percentage of share. In this way, you'll be getting money. And also regarding network marketing, there are many frauds will be going on. You really not to consider all the companies which provide network marketing services. You can only consider which are very remarkable. And there are a lot more kahanies you will be listening. You will be become a billionaire within an overnight. I think Okay, sir. Over to you. I
Okay.
hope I did.
Yeah. This is at least when I came to US, uh, I was immediately introduced to this concept. Everyone wanted me to become part of their network marketing group. And at that time, Amway was the biggest thing. I think many of you know what Amway is. And, obviously they come and first of all, the main thing that attracted me was they'll come and say, wow, you're so amazing. As soon as they say you're amazing, you're like, wow, I'm so special. You become, and especially at that time, the husband and wife used to come. And in USA, where I was, the boy used to say, and the girl used to just listen. And they will say, and the girl will be like absolutely listening and saying, wow, Shravan, this is so great. And they'll try to pronounce my name properly, all of this. And suddenly you feel like I'm so wanted. And you really, really get excited about it. And then they'll say how easy it is to become a millionaire. It is like, it takes no time. So that is so I said, okay, let me try, So I became involved in it and I, as usual, I become ultra focused. I put all my time, I put everything into it, and within less than a year, I had over 25 people, I think, under me. So I had a lot of people, but I was making no money. I think I was, once I made like $20 or something. Every time I was only losing money. So, do people make money? Yes. But most of the time in network marketing, many don't make money. Okay. But you do learn a lot of skills. You learn about people, you learn about communication, how to sell something, all of those things you'll learn, except money. You go in there to make money, and apart from that, you learn other things. So what you want to do is, I would be, I think network marketing has a place. You have to be smart about it. You have to be really, really smart about it. You should not be like me. As soon as someone said, oh my God, you're so great, then get involved. You should really look at what that marketing is. And especially, like suppose our eSell can actually create a network marketing business. We can do it now that we have our own group of people and own network and everything. It is possible for us to create our own network marketing business. So just make sure when you're creating this network marketing business or being part of it, really, really understand. Be patient. Listen to all their rules. Go to all their meetings, everything 100 times. I always believe this is where some of the mistakes I made. Do not give your money. Once you give your money, they will not care about you. Until you give your money, they will be very, very nice to you. They will try to listen. Everyone will try to talk to you. They'll try every way to get you in. And once you give the money, they'll walk away because they know now you're part of the group. They don't need to worry about you. And so the information will dry up very quickly. So try to get all the information as possible before you give any money to anyone. And always make sure you're providing more value than you take. Suppose you get 100 rupees profit from something. Make sure you're giving 200 rupees worth of value to them. If you give 50 rupees worth of value, then do not be involved in that kind of a business. Ever. Anywhere in life. Do not be involved in a business. So since you know network marketing, I'm just giving you some of the tips to avoid and follow.